Hi, today in front of me Huawei P60 Pro and I'll show you how to activate always on display option on this device. So first we should open the settings and then tap here to the home screen and wallpaper. Then tap to always on display, and to activate this option we should click once on the switcher. Also we could change here the display mode, so just to turn on always on display with the tap on the lock screen, or to set the schedule, the start, the end time, or just to show it all day. So let's just check now, and we could see that the always on display option successfully activated. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.